to one and all gathered out here. As we all know, we have gathered for the Don Bosco Quiz 2013. And here are the contestants. Team A, Team B, Team C and Team D. As we know, it's an inter-house quiz. So we have Tilakins, can you all wave out? Nehru. I think it is only your team, right? Gandhi. And Tagore. We have our scorekeepers, Teacher Gigi and her assistant, Elrich. Teacher Nitu. And Steve as the timekeeper here. Okay? And I'll be the quiz master for this period or for this show. Well, to begin with, let's go with the rules. We have 4 rounds, and as each round comes, I'll explain to you all. The first one being a general round. Hoping your students are prepared, right? Nod your heads. Okay, at a very short notice, they are prepared, even in spite of all their FAs. And I must appreciate especially 2 students from 9th who were brave enough to venture into this. No grade 9 or 10 student wanted to even come here for this. But please clap up. Can you stand up, those 2 9th standard students? Okay, have a seat. And is it very dark? Yes. Okay, wait a second. Bus more, can you just ask Sir Colin to switch on the lights? That's it. Well, to begin with the rules. Each team will have 15 seconds to answer a question. The audience will not prompt any answer, even if you know. Just keep quiet, don't just bluff anything out there and confuse them.
Lights are disconnected.
So, just keep mum. If none of them can answer, I'll pass it on to you all. Okay? 15 seconds, they'll say time up and we need to pass on the question. If it's... The mic's working? You need to speak into the mic. Team B, the speaker. Don't bang that, you just need to be closer to the mic. Okay, you take this one, I'll take that. Check.
Simran.
Team C, that's Gandhi House.
Anna.
And Team D, that's Tagore House.
Anjali.
Okay, so we'll begin our quiz. You need to immediately pass the mic back to the first person. The first question. Timekeeper ready? We'll begin with a simple question. Once I finish the question, then the time starts. What are the 3 basic principles on which the Don Bosco educational method hinges? You need to stand and answer.
Reason, loving kindness and faith in God.
Absolutely right, 10 points. Second question, Nehru House for you. What are the 2 symbols in the school logo?
The burning torch and the flying bird.
Absolutely right, 10 points. Team C, Gandhi House. What do the symbols in the school logo symbolize?
Enlightenment and excellence.
Absolutely right. And I think this one, you all should just really keep mum. This is a very simple one. What is the school motto?
One the major thing.
I or we? Absolutely right. Okay, we go for the second round in round 1. The goal of our school is integral education. What does this type of education embrace? There are 5 points. When we talk about integral education, that's a total. What do we teach you all here? There are 5 points overall. Can you give me all the 5 points? You need to stand.
Morally upright, cultural development.
Okay, they say pass, so the question passes on. For the pass on, it's 10 seconds, quick.
Moral upright values, furthering cultural development and social integration, training in occupational skills, development of physical and
No, it's okay, they can answer. Keep going.
development of physical and aesthetic talents.
Sorry. Team C, Gandhi House. They missed 1 point, but you need to give me all the 5 once again. Please stand.
Morally upright values, development of cultural development and social integration, training in occupational skills. Training in occupational skills, developing physical and aesthetic talents, and
You can't take a time break or something. No break. Team D, Tagore House, the last chance for you. They're all missing 1 point. Go. You don't have time to discuss. Start.
morally upright values.
You can't discuss because you had enough time to discuss. You know the answer or no? No. Okay. I think one of you all know the answers. Anyone from the... Yeah, Ritika would like to try, but no points for this one.
Yes, ma'am. Morally upright values, training in occupational skills, fostering.
Okay. Simran, one last try. I think she got it. That's the one everyone was missing. Fostering. Yeah, just say that one.
Fostering intellectual skills and competence.
Right, very good. But no points for that. Okay. This question is for team B, Nehru House. The educators at IEAS believe in the education of the 3 H's. What are they?
Education of the head, education of the heart, and education of the hand.
Absolutely right. Gandhi House. How many songs are there in the school calendar excluding the 3 anthems?
15.
Absolutely right. Okay. Name the 4 houses in the school and the motto of each one of them.
Tilak, love all labor as one. Nehru, knowledge and integrity. Tagore, always strive for the best. And Gandhi, seek just through non-violence.
I'm sorry, you gave one answer wrong. I won't tell you which one that is. Please pass on to Tilak House.
Tilak, knowledge and integrity.
Wrong. Nehru House. You're from Tilak House. You couldn't mess with that one.
Tilak, love all labor as one. Nehru, knowledge and integrity. Gandhi, seek peace through non-violence. Tagore, always strive for the best.
The one that you missed was seek peace. You said something else. Okay, they get 5 points. That's an indirect question. Okay, I think that's we are finished with 2 questions for each team, right? Okay. 2 questions for the audience. Okay. Let's see. Name the street on which our school is located. Okay, you just need to. I can see Umehani ma'am raising the hand. Okay. Right, the child right in the back. Can you come quickly in the front, Gandhi House? Fast. Who's your class teacher? Doesn't know his class teacher. Who's your? Okay, turn around and you need to point there. You don't know your class teacher's name? Anita ma'am. Okay, Anita ma'am will have to give a good remark if she's here. Yeah. Can you tell the answer? Yusuf, can you come out here quickly? Fast. You need to run. Is there a street called Salvia Street? Yeah. Yusuf, who's your class teacher?
Shirley ma'am.
Shirley ma'am, a good remark for once.
The street of the school located in
I just see the title, the name of the street.
Bahab Milkar Street.
Absolutely right, Bahab bin High Street. Fine. You could take help. Your diaries are there, even your logos or mottos on your t-shirt. Okay, so that's okay, completely okay. This is just a fun round for the audience. Let's go to the next round. Complete the following statements. Because you'll make noise, one got cancelled. Okay, next round I'll again come to you, don't worry. Team D. We go the other way round, we'll reverse the order. Okay? Tagore House. Pass the mic. Dash is a venture of the Solutions of Don Bosco, and it's for like the new upcoming generations. What is that? A venture of the Solutions Don Bosco. It's managed by Don Bosco IGACT. Absolutely right. And be loud and very precise and clear, okay? You need to be louder. Keep the mic closer to your mouth. Next question for Gandhi House. Dash was inaugurated on 1st June 1983. It's a center for music and dance, a boarding house, a press, and a training institute of printing technology.
Don Bosco Cultural Center.
Absolutely right, I'll give it to them. Team B, that's Nehru House. The full form of IGACT.
Institute of Graphics, Art, Communication Technology.
I'll give it to you, it's not graphics, it's graphic arts, communication technology, but absolutely right. Your question? I'm talking about Don Bosco IGACT, which is the Institute of Graphic Arts, Communication Technology. Where is it exactly in India?
Kerala, Kochi.
Absolutely right, Kochi in Kerala. The second round for this round 2. It's published in 52 editions in 30 languages. What is this?
Solutions Publication.
Please began so loudly.
Solutions Publication.
Wrong answer.
Solutions Bulletin.
It's called the Solutions Bulletin. Okay, the bulletin. So that's 5 points for the team. This is for team Gandhi House. The Don Bosco Institute of Technology is in Dash.
Benali.
Loudly.
Benali.
Wrong answer.
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Mumbai, Maharashtra. 5 points. Your question. Don Bosco Technical Institute is in
Rosemont, California.
Rosemont, California. There are 2 different institutes. 10 points. And the last one for you all, for this round. There's this football team, okay, from Don Bosco Prep. It's a team. I need the name of the team. It ranks as one of the top programs, not only in the state of New Jersey, but the entire country there. What's the name of the team?
Iron Man United.
Can you be clear again?
Iron Man United.
Wrong answer. Tagore House, are you trying for this pass-on question? Gandhi House?
Iron Man Football Team.
It's just called simply Iron Men Football Team. There's no United like Manchester United or something. Okay, this question goes to... Yeah, that was the last question for this round. As the scorekeepers will be ready with the scores, a question for the teachers or audience? Teachers! I think this one should go for teachers, and then one will have for fathers in the back. Okay, teachers. Okay, we'll have for the teachers. But what are we going to give a gift for the teachers? Will it not? Okay, the students are going to give one. Okay, the question. I think every teacher will know this because Father Lionel tells us in every meeting, like drills this into us. John Bosco conceived the Dash system of education, only teachers. Okay, Kemali ma'am, come down, come down. rules, I think so. First teacher to put hand up was Himali teacher, and what I heard is preventive system of education. Absolutely right. Okay, we'll give an extra 5 points to the team which Himali ma'am belongs to. Which house do you belong to, teacher? Points. Okay. The next question, I told you one for the audience. Okay, or should we give one for Father Lionel? Okay, I'm sure Father knows his answer. Let's see. Oh, Father Lionel or Gilbert will be there. Okay, the question is simple. Audience, most of you also know the answer. The gates of Indian English Academy School opened on dash. And all you could answer, audience, someone could ask Father. Father knows the answer? Date? Which April? April? 6. He's doing some action on it. The teacher was saying no. Okay. It's April 6, 2002. And now for these students, on April 6th, listen to the question. Oh, we need to clap for Father's name. On April 6, 2002, the gates of Indian English Academy School opened to welcome its first batch. And that was a batch of total dash number of students. Swadeep, can you come out? Quick. $1,200 for the first batch. Okay, teachers are here. Teachers. Absolutely right. The teacher gets a point. It's 350. Again, because of the students here, Nehru House are losing their points, screaming. Whoever said yes, you lost your point too. 350 students. Okay, now we go for the next round. Y'all are relaxed? There is a pepper break in between. Okay. The next round is round 3, but we'd like to have the scores. Who's leading? Let's have a score for all the teams.
Tilak House 20 points, Nehru House 50 points, Gandhi House 40 points, and Tegu House 20 points.
Nehru the lead. I can see Leo ma'am waving out there for Nehru House. Okay, let's have the next third round. Of course, you can make up in this round. Audience, your question. If the monitor gets me a student who's talking, their team gets minus here. And then you know what we get from the other students. We go back to Tilak House. Don Bosco School is known as Dash in Ramsey, New Jersey. In New Jersey, what is it known as?
Don Bosco Preparatory High School.
I'll give it to you. Don Bosco Preparatory High School. Absolutely right. At Bellflower, in California, Don Bosco School is known as
St. John Bosco High School.
absolutely right. So if you're going to go on from here, and you need to know what kind of schools we have around affiliated to Don Bosco. So this round is for that. Gandhi House. Don Bosco School is known as Dash in New Rochelle in New York.
Salesians High School.
Absolutely right. In Barcelona, Don Bosco School. I didn't talk about football, boys. In Barcelona, Don Bosco School is known as you need to stand. Pass. Tilak House.
Don Bosco High School.
Absolutely right. The question, Tilak House. You're getting a little noisier now. We won't be able to hear the right answer. Okay, the question. At Toronto in Ontario, Don Bosco School is known as dash.
Don Bosco Catholic Secondary School.
Absolutely right. In Addis Ababa, Don Bosco School is known as?
Don Bosco Catholic School.
Absolutely right. In Lahore, anyone from Lahore here? Oh yeah, the Lahorians are waving their hands. In Lahore, Don Bosco School is known as dash.
Don Bosco High School.
Absolutely right. At Manila in Philippines, Don Bosco School is known as? Shh. Monitors, you just need to pick the child, we give minus here. Time up, pass on. Tilak House, you get again a pass on question.
Don Bosco School.
Absolutely right. 5 points for that. Fine. 1 for the audience. Something else, Jesus? Okay. Fine. Anyone from the audience? Don Bosco School at Volendam, that's in Netherlands. What is it known as? If you apply logic, you can make out. Don Bosco School at Volendam in Netherlands is known as dash. Yes, trying? No one from this class? Yes, Abdul. Come. Shirley ma'am should be proud. She's answering a lot.
Don Bosco High School.
No. It's a 3-word. Okay, it's a 3-word. Yes, Emil, quick, last chance. Let's see. My answer is in the question. Logic, apply a logic. See, Don Bosco School at Volendam in Netherlands is known as 3 words, and all the 3 words are this question. I'll give it to him. I said 3 words. Don Bosco School, he said of Volendam. The answer was Don Bosco School, Volendam. It's okay.